What should I pack for NYC's unpredictable winter holiday weather? Imagine stepping into a city that feels like a winter wonderland one day and a brisk, rainy cityscape the next. That's what visiting New York City during the winter holiday season can be like. The weather can change quickly, so packing smart is the key to enjoying your trip without discomfort. Temperatures usually hover between 0 degrees Celsius and 6 degrees Celsius, which is 32 to 43 degrees Fahrenheit, in December. January can get colder, sometimes dropping below 0 degrees Celsius or 23 degrees Fahrenheit. Wind is common, especially along the waterfront and in open areas, making it feel even colder. Rain and snow are also part of the winter mix, with snow more likely in January but not impossible in December. To stay warm and dry, start with a thick, insulated winter coat that blocks wind. Look for one with a hood and good insulation, ideally waterproof or water-resistant. Layering is your best friend here. Pack thermal or moisture-wicking base layers to keep sweat away from your skin. Add sweaters or long-sleeve shirts to adjust your warmth during the day. Don't forget a warm hat, a thick scarf, and gloves to protect your extremities from the cold and wind chill. For footwear, waterproof and insulated boots with good traction are essential. Snow, sleet, or rain can make sidewalks slippery, so sturdy shoes are a must. Wool or thermal socks will keep your feet warm and dry. Since weather can be unpredictable, bring a compact umbrella and a water-resistant outer layer. An umbrella is handy for rain or wet snow, and a water-resistant jacket can keep you dry when the weather turns wet. When indoors visiting museums, theaters, or holiday markets, lighter layers like t-shirts or thin sweaters are perfect for staying comfortable in heated spaces. Remember to pack a small backpack or tote to carry your extra layers, snacks, or souvenirs. In summary, bring a warm, windproof coat, thermal base layers, sweaters, a hat, scarf, gloves, waterproof boots, warm socks, an umbrella, and a water-resistant jacket. This way, you can enjoy the festive sights, outdoor ice skating, and holiday markets without worrying about the weather. Being prepared means you'll stay cozy and can focus on making the most of your holiday trip to New York City.